Number 1. 1971 Ford F-250, $4,250. Auburn, California. This 1971 Ford F-250 Camper Special is a true vintage workhorse with its 390 cubic inch V8, upgraded from the original 360. Featuring an 8-foot-long bed, dual fuel tanks, and modified exhaust, it's pre-smog and ideal for enthusiasts who love the raw 1970s truck experience. The interior needs some attention. Door panels and window mechanisms, but the freshly upholstered seat, new radio, and spare parts make it a great candidate for restoration or casual cruising. Number 2. 1975 Chevrolet 4x4 SWB pickup, $4,325, Escalon, California. Known as a square body, this 1975 Chevrolet short bed 4x4 has a rugged classic look with its V8 engine and automatic transmission. Despite some rust and dents, the truck retains solid bones. It hasn't run since it was parked a year ago, but with a bit of care, it can easily return to farm or off-road duty. A good foundation for restoration or a rat truck project. Number 3. 1989 Ford F350, $3,550, Bellingham, Washington. A dependable old-school work truck, this 1989 Ford F350 comes with a V8 engine, new tires, and plenty of lockable storage compartments. With only 74,000 miles and a clean title, it's a solid choice for someone who values functionality and reliability. Once a handyman's faithful companion, this rig is ready for a new owner to continue its hard-working legacy. Number 4. 1964 Chevrolet C-10 half-ton pickup, $8,499, Highlandville, Missouri. This 1964 Chevrolet C-10 is a well-kept classic that blends vintage style with modern upgrades. Powered by a 350 V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, Edelbrock carburetor, and dual exhaust, it's mechanically strong and nearly ready for paint. With most rust already repaired and a clean title, it's a near-complete project that captures the essence of 1960s Americana. Number 5. 1976 Ford F350, $10,000, Bakersfield, California. A single-cab dually with only 35,000 miles, this 1976 Ford F350 is in excellent condition. Maintained meticulously and used solely on a farm, it runs and drives with no major issues. Although the title is missing, its originality and low mileage make it an attractive find for collectors of heavy-duty F-Series trucks. Number 6. 1989 Ford F150 4x4, $9,500, San Francisco, California. This clean 1989 Ford F150 4x4 is a prime example of the classic 8th-generation square-body F-Series. With $12,500 in recent mechanical work, including a rebuilt transmission, new injectors, sensors, alternator, and tires, it's road-ready and reliable. The 5.8-liter V8 runs strong, and the straight body with minor surface rust ensures long-term value. Smogged and registered through 2026, an excellent deal for a ready-to-go classic truck. Number 7. 1983 Chevrolet El Camino Conquista, $8,000, Omaha, Nebraska. With just 63,000 original miles, this 1983 El Camino Conquista is a beautiful time capsule. The 305 V8 provides smooth cruising power, while its original patina finish and near-perfect chrome give it nostalgic charm. Tight steering, a clean interior, and highway-ready performance make it a solid choice for collectors or weekend cruisers. Number 8. 1989 Chevrolet Silverado stepside, $6,000, Fresno, California. This 1989 Silverado stepside features a 5.7-liter V8 and an automatic transmission, running and driving well for its age. With 75,000 miles on the clock, though non-working, power windows and locks still function properly. The SS-style grille adds sporty appeal, and despite a salvage title from recovery, this truck remains a sharp and dependable classic. Number 9. 1988 Nissan D21Truck, $6,000, Hesperia, California. A heavily modified mini truck with excellent craftsmanship, this 1988 Nissan D21 features suspension upgrades, disc brakes, coilovers, and a Redline Weber carburetor setup. The custom work includes a relocated fuel cell, boxed frame, and Civic seats, giving it a performance and show truck edge. It's a standout for enthusiasts who appreciate custom fabrication and engineering. Number 10. 1984 AM General M923 6x6 military truck, $8,500, Hartford, Wisconsin. A massive ex-military hauler, the 1984 AM General M923 is a 5-ton, 6x6 truck powered by a robust Cummins diesel engine. Remanufactured in 2003, it's built for endurance with a 14-foot bed and heavy-duty drivetrain. At 37,545 miles, it's ideal for collectors of military vehicles or off-road adventurers seeking unmatched toughness. Number 11. 1983 Toyota 4x dyed truck, $6,000, Arroyo Grande, California. This 1983 Toyota 4x is a dependable classic known for its durability. The owner invested heavily in mechanical restoration, including brakes, front end, smog system, and new catalytic converter. It features a winch, bull guard, reupholstered seats, and comes with extra parts like a new dash. Perfect for vintage off-road fans wanting a reliable Japanese pickup. Number 12. 1965 Dodge D100 Custom Longbed, $14,500, South Tempe, Arizona. An exceptionally preserved Arizona truck, this 1965 Dodge D100 boasts its original 225 slant-6 and 3-speed manual transmission. The single repaint in its desert turquoise and white combination gives it timeless appeal. With an almost perfect bed, original hubcaps, and only minor rust bubbles, it's a wonderful local show vehicle and weekend cruiser. Number 13, 1982 Ford F150 stepside, $6,800, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1982 Ford F150 stepside offers a clean title, 302 V8, automatic transmission, and cold air conditioning. It's an excellent example of an early 1980s pickup ready for daily use or light restoration. With its classic body lines and stepside design, it brings both practicality and nostalgic charm. Number 14, 1986 Ford Ranger STX 4WD, $7,000, Camp Verde, Arizona. Built tough, this 1986 Ford Ranger STX 4WD is a small but mighty classic truck with a 6-cylinder automatic engine and locking hubs. Rust-free and mechanically solid, it's perfect for off-road adventures or as a daily driver. The body and frame are straight, and its rugged build quality highlights the durable engineering of 1980s Rangers. Number 15, 1986 Chevrolet 1500, $10,000, Delray, California. This 1986 Chevrolet 1500 features a smooth-running V8 and automatic transmission, with just 69,000 miles on the odometer. Equipped with power windows and locks, it runs well but may need transmission servicing soon. A great low-mileage example for restoration or to enjoy as is. Number 16, 1957 Ford Ranchero, $900, Blaine, Washington. A rare and affordable project find, this 1957 Ford Ranchero combines the spirit of a car and a truck. Equipped with a 292 V8 and 3-speed manual transmission, it comes with a clear title, but needs a clutch, seats, and general mechanical work. For under $1,000, it's an excellent start for enthusiasts looking to revive a true 1950s Ford classic.